这样的参数，因为你那边是调好了，那我们要来试一下这个光路对不对？这样子拿个相纸在这里打个点，看你打出来这个点圆不圆。打出来呢，这个点要圆，而且呢，你的红外点要在这个圆的正中心，你这样子光路才对的，不然的话你光路不对。
First, open a machine, and after 90 seconds, so this machine screen shows ready, so we can adjust have laser point on photo paper like this. You know, this laser point on photo paper is not round. How to do? Here, you can use with your foot to touch the photo switch, and then have the laser light on the photo paper. If have, so you can see this laser point is round or not. If it's not round, okay, adjust here. And this laser mirror, this mirror is for adjust laser point round or not. Here, this one in charge function for adjuster left and right. Here is for slider. 哎呦，斜边怎么说啊？操！ Yeah, if a laser point on photo paper like this, so you just adjust here. So, 先别动. So, if laser point on photo paper like this, okay, you adjust this one. Okay, finish. So, if laser point on photo paper like this, okay, adjust here. Okay, finish. Here, put the photo paper here. So, and touch the switch. So if the laser point, you see, no laser point, no reflect on the photo paper. So how to do? So like this, take a photo paper like this, and to check here, have another or more laser point, and on here you can say two laser points. So now you will adjust. So you can say two laser points. So now how to do? You can see. You can see 1 point. Laser point and red point together now. together in center. Here is red point, you know, you blocked the red point. So here, so here no red point, right?
然后我移开啊，你看，
So like this.
然后你看这边，
Yeah, so now have red line, red point, right?
然后你就看你看一下，它这有2个点，移动一下这里。
So now, you know, you see, have 2 laser point and red point, right? So we must let red point and the laser point together in the center, right?
你看，
So let the 2 point in the center in one. So adjust like this.
就变成1个点了嘛。
So now you can say just 1 point. Laser point and the red point, just 1 together. Yeah. So okay, you can say touch both switch. So have small laser point.
你跟他说这个是激光点。
我看，等一下，等一下，用笔指一下。Here is the laser point. Yeah， 那一个是红光点，给它指一下。
对，这个红光点。
This one is red point. Okay, how to do?
你再录一下，你录一下，看，把这个点移到中心。反过来。
对，这样清楚。Okay, now, this not round. How to do?
那我们就要把它调圆。
Here, make your laser point to be very round. You can say like this. So, it's not. It's so how to do? If like this, so how to do? 如果这样了怎么办? So you must the laser point in the center. So how to do? So adjust here.